In today's video, we are going to cover how to undo bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and look to the menu on the left side. Click Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. This takes you to the list of accounts in your company file where you can access the register for the account that contains the reconciled transaction you want to change. In the Chart of Accounts list, find the bank account or credit card account you need to work with. Take a moment here to make sure you are choosing the correct account before you continue, since the register will only show transactions for that specific account. Once you have found it, click View Register. The register will open and display the transactions for that account. From here, locate the reconciled transaction you want to undo. You may need to scan through the list carefully to find the exact entry. Look for the transaction that currently shows a reconciliation status you want to change. When you find the right transaction, click directly on it to expand the row and open the editable details. This gives you access to the fields associated with that entry, including the reconciliation status field. Now move to the reconciliation status field. This is the small box that shows either R, C, or nothing at all. Click that field to change the status. Each click moves the transaction through the available options, so continue clicking until it shows the status you want. In this field, R means the transaction is reconciled. C means the transaction is cleared. A blank field means the transaction is uncleared and not reconciled. If your goal is to remove the transaction from reconciliation, keep clicking until the R changes. You can stop when the field becomes blank or leave it at C if that is the status you prefer for the account. Be careful not to change any other transaction details while the row is expanded. The main action here is only the reconciliation status field. Once the status is set the way you want it, click Save to apply the change. If you change the status from R to blank, that transaction is no longer marked as reconciled in the register. If you changed it from R to C, it remains cleared but is no longer fully reconciled. That is the key difference to watch for when you review the register after saving. If you need to undo reconciliation on more than one transaction, you would repeat the same process for each one in that register, making sure each status is changed before saving. For the transaction you updated here, the reconciliation mark has now been removed or reduced based on the status you selected. The selected QuickBooks Online transaction now has its reconciliation status updated and saved.